Hello, hi. My audience, I describe on this topic United States and introduce introduction of United States, USA, history of United States and geography of United States. First of all, we are describe introduction of United States. United States of America is a federal republic located parliamentary in North America. North America, it comprises 50 states and federal district Washington DC and capital of all our United States of America is Washington DC and largest and industrial largest state of America that is called New York, York. Uh, the country is the USA border connect Canada. Canada to the north, Mexico to the south, Pacific Ocean to the east, and Atlantic Ocean to the west. In Atlantic Ocean to the east of United States of America and the Pacific Ocean to the west of United States of America. The geographic of United States of America, the United States of America fractured diverse geographic including mountains, plains, desert and forest. For desert and forest, major mountains range including the Rocky Mountains, Rocky Mountains and the Appalachians Mountains. The country has significant bodies of waters such as the Great Lakes and the Mississippi River. Mississippi River is the main river of United States of America. Provide water in all states. All 50 states of United States of America, which plays a critical role in transportation and ecology. History of America, history according to the history of America, Columbus introduced America in 14th century. The USA founded in 1776 Iswi when 13 British colonies are some mini states declared independence from Great British. The Constitution of United States adopt in 1787 establish the framework of the government throughout the 19th and 20th century. The country expanded westward and underward underwent significant social and culture political changes, including the survey, the civil rights movements are introduced in the United States of America, and various wars that shaped its global presence. Washington DC is a capital of United States of America. Washington DC President of America House is a very historical place for tourists of the world.